Choosing between Wati and AiSensy for WhatsApp marketing, both dominate India's market, but they target completely different business needs. In 90 seconds, you'll know exactly which one fits your budget and growth plans. Hit subscribe for honest WhatsApp tool comparisons. Wati serves 14,000 plus businesses globally enterprise focused with AI support agents, 200-step chatbot automation, and Salesforce integration. Built for teams scaling internationally, iSensy is India's SMB favorite with 3 million users, simple setup, broadcast-first approach, and pricing that starts at $999 a month. Both are official WhatsApp business solution providers. Chatbot capabilities. Wati offers up to 200 automation steps with a visual no-code builder, plus AI-powered agents using GPT-4 Turbo that learn from your knowledge base. Advanced webhook support and API calls make complex workflows possible. iSensy provides basic drag-and-drop chatbot flows, but here's the catch. Their chatbot builder costs an extra $1,999 a month on top of your subscription. For simple keyword-based responses, it works, but Wati dominates for sophisticated automation. Pricing, structure reality. This is critical. iSensy starts cheaper at $999 a month versus Wati's $2,499 a month. However, both platforms add messaging markups. AiSensy charges 1.09 per marketing message versus Meta's official 0.78 rate. That's a 39.7% markup. Wati's markup is approximately 60% for marketing messages. At scale, sending 10,000 marketing messages monthly costs 3,100 extra with AiSensy and 5,200 extra with Wati compared to Meta's base rates. Factor this into your budget. Team collaboration. Wati caps team members at 5 users maximum. Even in the highest plan, additional seats cost 3,500 minus 7,800 per user. AiSensy offers unlimited agents from the start. If you have a large support team, iSensy wins dramatically here. Small teams won't notice the difference. Advanced features. Wati includes broadcast scheduling, click tracking with CAPI and ROAS for Facebook ads, and Instagram message integration, all built into standard plans. iSensy restricts click tracking and advanced analytics to higher tiers, and their Instagram automation is more limited. Wati also offers 12,000 messages per minute with their Blitz add-on. AiSensy maxes at 100,000 messages per day initially. Support quality. Here's where both platforms struggle. Multiple verified reviews report iSensy support is slow, chat box messages go unanswered for hours, calls get disconnected. Wati users report email-only support on Growth and Pro plans with 2 to 4 day response times. Neither platform excels here, but Wati offers dedicated customer success managers on business plans. Bottom line, choose iSensy if you're an SMB with a large team, need unlimited agents, and can live with basic automation. Choose Wati if you need enterprise-grade automation, advanced ad tracking, and international scalability, but budget heavily for messaging costs and limited team seats. Both platforms are linked below. Subscribe for no BS WhatsApp tool reviews, and comment which platform you're currently using. See you in the next one.